when your girlfriend turns herself into your drinking snack straight up. This scene is so addictive. Non-stop hilarious highlights from start to finish. You'll definitely be laughing till the end. This is the ultimate way for couples to have fun together.
喝点儿。干喝呀。
等着。点菜，姐子，
看着整吧。
瞧好吧，歇着。
Just watch and relax. You won't believe what happens when my girlfriend turns herself into my drinking snack. It's hilarious from start to finish. You'll laugh non-stop. This is how real couples have fun.
红烧大鱼，酸菜大虾，糖椒肉末，是红烧鸡翅，蘸酱菜。再等一会儿。
With a girlfriend this amazing. What time would you get home? Enjoyed this funny couple's daily life? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We'll be even crazier and funnier next time.